wanted to give you a little behind the scenes of what's going on. I'm headed to New York Fashion Week next week with my daughters. Question, how do you get ready? What do you pick? I spent the last couple of days going through my closet and creating and curating outfits and maybes. And so that's where I'm at right now. I'm going to several runway shows. The biggest one I'm going to is Christian Siriano, which he designed this for me last year. This is couture. Don't you love the tail? So I'm definitely going to wear this to his runway. And then he has an after party, which was so fun last year. Got this couture made. I had to wait a few months for it. That's for sure happening. I'm going to go to La Pointe's presentation, which you have to be invited to. There's a good chance I'll go to Libertine. And then I just ended up putting some accessories to the side. I am a hat girl, so I'm not sure which ones I'm going to take. I got some really good options. As far as bags, I like to bring neutrals, whites, blacks, tans, and I like them to be a little bigger. The reason is because I don't have the best feet. I'm not going to wear these like walking down the streets of New York. So what I do is I take the shoes, I'll put them in one of my bags, and then when I get there, I switch out my tennis shoes with the fancy nice ones. I am going to do a blog this week all about New York Fashion Week. What to expect, what is it like, how does it work? I do have to get all this to Texas, so I'm going to ship this out probably in the next day or two. Subscribe so you don't miss a thing. See ya.